means knowing the property. Okay, so knowing the property means we have to know about the input impedance, output impedance, input gain, output gain, then overall gain, many such parameters you have to find. So let me discuss one by one. Okay, so here, see, can you see this sketch? This is V signal, R signal, VI, RL, and this is the output. So for this, what we will do for analysis, if I want to analyze, the input impedance, output impedance, all that, I have to write the equivalent circuit. Okay, so how to draw the equivalent circuit? So how to draw the equivalent circuit means, see, I have shown the equivalent circuit here. Okay, so the equivalent circuit means this is the input signal, V signal. This is R signal, resistance of this voltage source, and we have this R in, which is the input impedance, and basically this is an voltage controlled current source. Okay, and we are representing this by a dependent source, because actually you have to show it GM into VGS, and you have R naught in parallel, but I have converted this into a voltage source. So therefore it is AV naught into VI, which is nothing but VI means the input signal that is fed to the device, and AV naught is the gain. So output is equal to gain into input, and this resistance R naught is in series. Suppose if I convert this into current source, this R naught will come into parallel, and this RL is the load resistance. Okay, so this much was discussed in the previous class. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Following? Sana? Nidhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, now what we have to do, ಇದು ಯಾರೋ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Now this is VI, so this is the input voltage VI. VI is nothing but the drop across Rin. Okay, see, we also call this input impedance. Rin represents the input impedance, and this is used to avoid the loading effect. Very, very important. If you have a pen and paper, please write. The input impedance Rin is used to avoid the loading effect. So what exactly loading effect, I will tell you. See, I am giving V signal, R signal. This is Rin. Rin represents the input impedance. See, how did you get this Rin? We are writing the equivalent circuit for this main figure. See, this is the main figure. For this, we are writing the equivalent circuit. Okay, so when we are writing the equivalent circuit, just compare. V signal and R signal will remain as it is. See here, V signal and R signal remain as it is, and this is the input impedance which is connected here. So I will represent it as Rin, and the output is the I am representing the output in terms of voltage. So it is gain into V in, and this is R naught, and this is RL. Now how to find this VI, the drop across this Rin? Rin is also known as the input impedance, which is used to avoid the loading effect. Very, very important. So what is loading effect, I will tell you. How to find V in here? V in, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, arrow indicate ಅವತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ. VI is equal to, how to find the drop across VI? How to find? V signal into Rin divided by R signal plus Rin. This is the voltage divider rule we are applying. So this is how we find the value, the V in. This is how we find V of in, VI. Okay, so now what happens? V signal into Rin divided by Rin plus R signal. Why do we call this Rin as the resistance which is used to avoid the loading effect? Why do we call this Rin as the resistance which is used to avoid the loading effect? Why means, see here, this Rin will be usually a very, very higher value. For example, in case of MOSFET, your Rin will be equal to Rg. Your Rg will be very, very higher value, which will be in terms of, your Rin will be very, very higher value, which will be in terms of mega ohms. So mega ohms divided by mega plus your R signal will be in terms of ohms. So what happens? Mega plus ohm, this ohm can be neglected. You can neglect this R signal because your Rin is very, very higher than R signal. So this Rin and this Rin will get cancelled. Your Vi will be equal to V signal. Okay, your Vi will be equal to V signal. I repeat. See, actually, suppose if I am giving 5 volts, the complete 5 volts I want it here. Okay, there should not be any drop. Il 5 volts kotre, I want the complete 5 volts here. I should not like I should get at least 4.9. I should not get either 3 volts or 2 volts, because if I get 3 or 2 volts, it is not a good loading effect resistor. So what I am doing, I have to choose this Rin should be very, very high. One example for MOSFET means the gate resistance is very, very high. It will be equal to infinity or mega ohm range. So when I write Vi is equal to V signal into Rin by Rn plus R signal, Rin is very, very higher value in terms of infinity or mega ohm, and your R signal will be in terms of ohms. When you compare this, you can neglect this R signal. When you neglect this R signal, V signal into Rin divided by Rin. Rin and Rin will get cancelled. Vi will be equal to V signal. Means if I give 5 volts, my Rin, the drop across Rin will be also equal to 5 volts. The complete voltage will be fed to the amplifier. Very, very important. So, how to find that Rin is Vi divided by I of I. Understood? Shreyas, Sahana, Prajwal,
Yes, ma'am.
Nandan, yellow Nandan.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. So, how to draw this equivalent circuitry? Later on, we will study it in detail. See, V signal and R signal, you have to write as it is. See, this is an amplifier. An amplifier will have an input impedance. Okay. So, how do I show that input impedance? See, this is your Rin, input impedance, which is used to avoid the loading effect. And at the output, we will get the amplified voltage. So amplified voltage is represented by a dependent source. Why it is represented by a dependent source? Because the voltage here is dependent on the input voltage Vi. Okay, so this is A0 into Vi, and this is the output impedance. All the amplifier will have the output impedance R0, and you are taking the output V0 here. Understood? Okay. And basically, students, all these amplifiers are known as unilateral amplifier. What do we call these amplifiers as? Illi torsi illi mark madi. What do we call this? Mark madi illi. We call this amplifier as unilateral amplifier. Why do we call that amplifier as unilateral Why do we call that amplifier as unilateral amplifier means, see here, see output I am taking across RL. I am not providing any feedback. Feedback means taking some part of the output and giving it to the input. But in this case, I am not taking any output and giving to the input. Means there is no feedback from output to input. There is no feedback from RL to Rin. So your Rin is not dependent on RL. That is why we call it as unilateral amplifier. Okay. Understood? Unilateral means there is no feedback from output to input. Your Rin is not dependent on output. Therefore, it is unilateral amplifier. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Santosh. Neene Santosh yes andiddu. Idu
Ha, ma'am.
Santosh. Rin Rin ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? Why do we use Rin, Santosh?
Ma'am, because it's
Loading
it will be independent of RL.
Adu because it is known as unilateral amplifier. Inondu important, this avoids loading effect. Very, very important. Why does it avoid loading effect? Because the input impedance Rin is very, very high. Here in this equation, Rin is very, very high compared to R signal. So I can neglect R signal, cancel Rin and Rin. Vi will be equal to V signal. If I give 5 volts here, I will get 5 volts here. If I give 3 volts, approximately 2.9 to 3 volts I will obtain. Okay, that is why this Rin is known as the resistor which avoids the loading effect. Understood? ಸಂತೋಷ್
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now how to find that R in? This is how we find VI by I of I. Understood? Okay. Next, Chaitanya Reddy.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
R in na ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? R in is known as the what? What do you call R in as? We call R in as the input resistance, which is used to avoid the loading effect. It is used to avoid the loading effect. So how to find the voltage drop across
Loading
VI?
effect.
How to find the voltage across VI? Apply voltage divider rule. Okay, and basically these amplifiers are known as what? Unilateral amplifier. Okay. See, that is the first parameter in characterization. The first thing you have to find the input resistance. I told you characterization means knowing about the property of amplifier. Now you know the value of Rin. Second one, the second parameter in characterizing an amplifier is to finding the open circuit voltage gain. Very, very important. What is the second one? Which is the second parameter that is very, very important? The second parameter that is very, very important is finding the open circuit voltage gain. See, gain A represents the gain. Illige arrow mark madi. Okay. Gain represents capital A. Voltage represents V. Okay. This is known as the voltage gain. AV naught represents the voltage gain. Sorry. AV naught represents the voltage gain. V naught by V in. Since it is an open circuit voltage gain, we represent it as V naught. V of O. Sorry. V of O or V naught. It represents open circuit. Open circuit means removal of RL. Open circuit means removal of RL, or set RL is equal to very, very higher value. So RL very, very higher value means it results in open circuit. When the resistance is high, current will be equal, voltage will be equal to open circuit, because I into R, our resistance value is very high. So the voltage is represented as open circuit voltage. Understood? So what is AV naught represent, Shreyas? AV naught represents what? AV naught or AVO represents what? Shreyas?
The amplifier's voltage, ma'am. Voltage gain.
Open circuit voltage gain anta helbeku. Open circuit voltage gain. Voltage idu A represents gain. This O or not represent open. Okay. Open circuit. Why do we call it as open circuit? When we don't consider RL, or when RL is equal to infinite, or when RL is very higher value. That is why we call it as open circuit voltage gain. So which is the first parameter we found? Chaitanya Reddy? Which is the first parameter we found? Rahil? Which is the first parameter we found? Prithvi? Which is the first parameter we got it? If you don't answer, I will not give attendance. Which is the first parameter?
Ma'am, input resistance.
Okay. Then what is the second parameter we are discussing? Chaitanya Reddy?
Ma'am,
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಓಪನ್
circuit
ಓಪನ್
voltage gain.
ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. AV naught. First parameter is Rin, second parameter is open circuit voltage gain, AV naught. Why do we call it as
Open
open
voltage
circuit
gain.
voltage gain? Why do we call it as open circuit voltage gain? Why do we call it, Prithvi? Why do we call it open circuit voltage gain? ಪೃಥ್ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಪೃಥ್ವಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್?
Yes, ma'am.
Open circuit voltage gain. Why do we call it as open circuit voltage gain? Means when we don't connect RL, or when the value of RL is very, very high. When the resistance is very, very high, it results in open circuit voltage. Open circuit voltage. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Very, very important. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. MOSFET
Yes,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ,
ma'am.
MOSFET ಅಲ್ಲಿ what happens? The input impedance, that is the gate resistance, is very, very high. So when RG is very, very high, it results in open circuit.
Open circuit.
Similarly, in RL, if the value of RL is very, very high, it results in output open circuit output voltage. So the gain we call it as AV0, open circuit voltage gain, which is given by V0 by VI. What do we call it as? V0 by VI. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what happens here? Which property? Characterization means what? Finding the characteristics, means determining the properties. So what are the properties? First one we studied. Which property did we study first?
Gate amp.
First property ಕಾಮನ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ? ಯಾವುದು? ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್
ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್.
ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್, ಈ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಆರ್ ಇನ್, what is the purpose of using this R in? Avoiding the loading effect. Loading effect, avoiding the loading effect. How to find the drop across VI? This formula. Okay, so first parameter we found R in. That R in represents the input resistance. Then that resistance is known as load, which avoids the loading effect. Okay, and basically these are known as unilateral amplifiers, because feedback we are not connecting from output to input. The second parameter we are discussing is AV0, which is the open circuit voltage gain. Why do we call it as open circuit voltage gain? When we don't have RL, or when the value of RL is infinite. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
First parameter yado? Nishant? Nishant? ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ನಿಶಾಂತ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್
ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು?
ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೈನ್.
ಯಾಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೈನ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ?
ಅದು RL ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟ್ ಹೈ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ is known as output resistance R0. Which is the third parameter? Output resistance R0. Which is the third parameter? Which is the third parameter? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Output resistance.
So how to find
output resistance R0?
Very good. How to find the output resistance R0? Very, very important. To find the output resistance R0, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ arrow. To find the output resistance R, ಇಲ್ಲಿ arrow ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. To find the output resistance R0, bring this arrow here. To find the output resistance R0, what we have to do? VI, the input signal, should be set to 0, or short circuit this input. Short circuit this input. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ SC ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ, short circuit ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Put an arrow and write short circuit the input. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, bring this here. Short circuit the input. Then what do? What we have to do? From the output, yes, illela baribardo. Short circuit the input. Okay, short circuit the input. And what we have to do? View the circuitry from the output. View the circuitry from the output. Illi nintkondo nodbeku. You have to view the circuitry from output. Before viewing the circuit, you have to connect an unknown before viewing the circuit, you have to connect an voltage source Vx. Then you have to analyze. First step, the third parameter is finding R0. How to find this R0? Short circuit the input voltage source, connect the voltage source Vx. It will give out the current Ix, which I have shown. View the circuitry here. Stand and view the circuitry here. from the output, that will give the output resistance R naught. So R naught will be equal to, idna circle haki, R naught is equal to Vx by Ix. R naught is equal to Vx by Ix. This is how we have to find the output voltage. So how to find the output voltage? The third parameter is the output resistance R naught. Just short circuit this, connect an voltage source Vx, then you find R naught is equal to Vx by Ix. R naught is equal to Vx by Ix. That is how you will find. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Nidhi ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ನಿಧಿ ಲೇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮರ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. I repeat for you once again. The third parameter is the output resistance R naught. How to find the output resistance R naught? Short circuit this input. Then what you do? Connect Vx. Then there will be flow of current Ix due to this Vx. View the circuitry standing here at the output, so that we indicate it as R naught, which is equal to Vx by Ix. Vx by Ix. So this is your R naught. R naught is equal to Vx by Ix. This is the third parameter. First parameter yavdu? First parameter yavdappa Rahil? Which is the first parameter?
Input resistance.
Second parameter?
Open circuit voltage gain.
Open circuit voltage gain. Third parameter, output resistance R naught.
Output resistance
R naught. Okay. So next one, which is the which is the other parameter we have to find? So here we have to find one the open circuit voltage gain aito. Let us come to this equivalent circuit. See here, ಇವೆರಡು arrow ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ circle ಮಾಡಿ, remove these two arrow and make a circle here. Now we have to consider the output part of the circuitry. Yes, we have to consider the output part of the circuitry. Saku. We have to find the output part of the circuitry. So output part of the circuitry here, output part of the circuitry, see here, this represents the voltage source and this represents the resistance, and this and this represents the load resistor RL. Okay, so AV naught represents the voltage. Okay, yarappa en problem agide eno message ಆಗ್ತಿದಿರಲ್ಲ? Ma'am, I can only see ma'am, your voice is not clear. My voice is not clear?
It's clear, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay.
Very clear.
Clear, ma'am.
Sari kelili. Please look at the output part of the circuitry. Mark this output. Illi arrow hakbut output anta haki. This is the output part of the circuitry. Output anta bariri. This is the output part of the circuitry. So if you look at the output part of the circuitry, this represents the voltage source and this represents the resistance. Sako. This represents the voltage source. This represents the resistance R naught. Okay, and this represents the load resistor. So how it will look? This is the voltage source V Thevenin. I can consider this as RTH and I can consider this as the load resistance RL. Artha agta idya? I can consider this. So please remove all this. Now this is the output part of the circuitry. Istirli sako. This is the output part of the circuitry. So if you clearly look at the circuit, you can represent this as VTH, you can represent this as RTH, and you can represent this as the load. Okay, so I can represent in the form of the Thevenins. So in that case, what is the output voltage V0? How to find the output voltage V0? Anyone will answer? How to find the output voltage V0? Sakshi, how to find the output voltage V0 from this? From this, how to find the V0? Who will answer? I will give award for this. What is the output voltage V0 here? ಬಹುಮಾನ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ.
I by R naught plus RL.
Or not.
V naught is equal to R naught plus RL.
plus RL.
V naught is equal to R naught plus RL.
R naught plus
I
naught
divided by R
I
naught
naught
plus
by
RL.
R naught plus
R
RL.
naught plus RL.
ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಡಿವೈಡರ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯಾ V naught. ಈ V naught ಗೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ, I naught into R naught in R naught plus RL.
yes, AV naught into VI how do you hold main voltage into resistance of the same branch RL divided by sum of the two resistance. Please write down this circuitry. So where I have shown, I have represented by the Thevenin's equivalent. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. V naught is equal to AV naught into VI is the main voltage into RL divided by R naught plus RL. No, this one. You rub everything and mark this one. ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. Okay. So how to find the output voltage? V naught is nothing but ಅದು main voltage AV naught into VI. How did you get this main voltage AV naught into VI? Where is that one? See here, for this V naught, AV naught into VI into RL divided by R naught plus RL. Okay, so that is how we obtain the equation for V naught. V naught is equal to AV naught into VI divided by RL plus R naught. Okay, now what we will do in the next step, in the next step what we will do, bring this VI to the denominator. So when you bring this VI to the denominator, you will get V naught by VI. Okay, V naught by VI is equal to AV naught into RL divided by RL plus R naught. Okay, so AV naught represents just the voltage gain. Students, please listen properly, please. Two voltage gains we will define. One is the open circuit voltage gain, that is discussed previous. Open circuit voltage gain means without RL. This is the voltage gain, just we will write it as voltage gain AV. It means it is with RL. With RL is represented as AV. AV naught represents open circuit voltage gain. With RL is AV. Without RL is AV naught. Okay, I repeat, you will get the output voltage V naught by applying the voltage divider rule for the above circuitry. Bring this VI to the denominator. V naught by VI represents AV. This is known as the voltage gain AV. So voltage gain AV is equal to AV naught into RL by RL plus R naught. So I want to tell you there are two gains. One is the open circuit voltage gain. The other one is just the voltage gain. Open circuit voltage gain means without RL. Just voltage gain means with RL. So open voltage gain means V naught by VI. AV naught open circuit gain is also V naught by VI, but it is without RL. Understood? Everyone understood? Navneet?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahesh Babu? AV naught gu AV gu ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್? ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್?
Yes, ma'am.
AV naught gu AV gu ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್?
V naught is just the output voltage, but AV naught is the gain.
Open circuit voltage gain ಅನ್ಬೇಕು.
Open circuit rule.
With RL, without RL important. Open circuit means without RL. With RL means just voltage gain. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ. With RL is just voltage gain AV. Without RL is open circuit voltage gain AV naught. Prithvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Open circuit voltage gain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
AV naught.
With RL or without RL?
With RL, ma'am. AV naught.
With RL appa, without RL.
Ma'am, it should be high, no, ma'am.
High RL equal to infinity ಅಂದ್ರೆ without ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವೆರಿ ಹೈ ಅಥವಾ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇ ಅದು. ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಡು
V naught.
AV ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Yes, ma'am.
It is including RL or excluding RL?
AV is including RL.
Yes, very good. So what are the parameters we discussed today? R in, then what else? R in, open circuit voltage gain, output impedance,
R0.
and AV. Okay. The other parameter we will going to discuss is overall gain. Overall voltage gain is given by GV. Very, very important. Overall gain anta heli ellaruve. Which is the last parameter? Overall gain GV. Please repeat. Overall gain GV.
Overall gain.
Overall gain.
ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಗೀಚಬಾರ್ದು. Overall gain, that is GV. Okay. ಆಯ್ತು. See here. 1 second. Who will answer this question will get award. Overall gain GV means, overall gain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? V0 by V signal. Please repeat. Overall gain GV is what? V0 by V signal. Shivshankar?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Overall gain is represented by GV. It is V0 by V signal. It is what? V0 by V signal. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? From V0 to V signal, you have two parts. One is the output part and the other one is the input part. Navneet, V0 by V signal is represented by GV, which contains both the output port as well as the input port. So I want V0 by V signal. So what I have to do? I have to come like this. V0 by Vi into Vi by V signal. I have to multiply the gains of output part and the input part. Please write down. Please note this. GV is equal to overall gain. Barkondra? GV is equal to overall gain is equal to GV is equal to overall gain. GV is equal to overall gain is equal to output gain into input gain. Barkoli adana. Output port gain into input port gain. Bardra? Output port gain into input port gain. Output port gain is V0 by V signal. Input port gain is Vi by V signal. Please write that. V0 by V signal is equal to output port gain into input port gain. Output port gain is V0 by Vi. Input port gain is Vi by V signal. Did you write? Did you write? Bardrenamma?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is V0 by Vi? What is V0 by Vi? It is nothing but you have to multiply AV into AV0. AV andre with RL. AV0 means without RL. So you have to multiply this gain into this gain. How to find this gain? What is V0 by Vi? What is AV? AV andre ಏನು? What did you write for AV? See.
Gain.
How did you write? AV0 into RL divided by RL plus R0. This is the output port gain. This is the output port gain. So GV is V0 by V signal. V0 by V signal is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀರಪ್ಪ, V0 by V in, V0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ